Many people are confused just like me when playing Valorant or any game. Do you experience lag or stuttering? What could be the basic reason? Is your PC not handling Valorant or any other game properly as I mentioned, or is it because of your internet that your game is lagging? Now, I had the same confusion, but after this test, it became clear to me that my issue is with the internet. I took my PC to my cousin's place to test it, and there was no lag. In fact, I was top ranking in Diamond Elo even at my home. I'm stuck in Silver and Gold Elo. I knew it was my internet issues because you can monitor your internet in Valorant, but in my case, my internet spikes a lot, which is why I can't play, I can't take fight. Well, without wasting any time, let's start the troubleshooting steps. It's easy, don't worry, not even a lengthy process. Just start Valorant, and if you have a second monitor, turn it on. Otherwise, start a recorder and capture your specific program like Task Manager, which we will start in the background while playing Valorant. You need to keep an eye on your Task Manager to see if your CPU, RAM, GPU, or hard disk drive are not at 100% usage. If they are, it means that your hardware is pushing its fully performance for the game, causing lag and latency in the game. So just suppose from another perspective, even if you have 10 cores in your PC and the game needs 11 or 10 cores for the smooth performance, your component will start be at 100% usage. For example, if your PC has 15 cores, the game will use 10, and you will still have 5 cores left for your operating system and for other tasks. This is how you can test if your PC is providing smooth performance for a specific game, and it's just an example. Don't be confused between the cores. Last but not least, make sure your PC temperature is normal while playing the game, like GPU and CPU. Their temperature should be below 70%, and you can use MSI Afterburner for this. If you like today's video, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos and tutorials related to the error. Also drop your suggestions if you have any in mind. Have a good day. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.